short answers questions. First, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to look smart, and to protect us from heat, rain, and cold. Second question, what are fibers? Name two types of fibers. Fibers are long and fine threads. Two types of fibers are natural fibers and second, synthetic fibers. Third, Rini gave her old woolen clothes to poor and needy people. First, how can we take care of woolen clothes? We should wash them in liquid detergent and put naphthalene balls in storage box to protect them from insects. Second, what can we learn from Rini? We should share our things with other. Sharing is caring. Long answer questions. What are natural and synthetic fibers? Give two examples of each. First is natural fibers. Those fibers that we get from natural sources like plants and animals are called natural fibers. For example, cotton from plant and wool from sheep. Synthetic fiber, those fibers that made by humans from chemicals, जो हम human बनाते हैं with the use of chemicals is called synthetic fibers. For example, nylon and rayon. How should we take care of our clothes? First is always use good quality soap and detergent to wash them. Wash, dry and iron them properly. Third, give delicate and expensive woolen and silk clothes for dry cleaning. Use naphthalene balls to store woolen clothes to protect them.